Drive chain transfer engine power to rear wheel. Inspect chain free play at 3 points. It should be 25 to 35 mm. To adjust chain free play, loosen rear axle nut. Rotate adjusting bolt on both sides to tighten and loosen the drive chain. Again, check drive chain free play. Check index mark on both sides. Index mark should be same on both sides. Tighten the axle nut to torque of 88 Nm. While applying the torque, hold the axle bolt from one side and apply the torque on opposite side. Check the sprocket for wear and tear of teeth. Apply chain cleaning spray. Clean the chain with sharp towel. Apply chain lubricating spray. Don't perform chain maintenance when the vehicle is in start condition. Inspect, clean and lubricate drive chain at every 1000 kilometers. Don't clean drive chain by oil, kerosene, diesel or non-recommended lubricants.